Kitchen with Ayaan. Today we're gonna be unboxing the gimbal. Hello viewers, today we're gonna unbox the gimbal. The company's name is Dji OM. These are some of the features the gimbal has. Magnetic quick mount, foldable and portable, active track 3.0, quick roll, gesture control, story mode. Let's open and see what the gimbal is. What's in the gimbal. These are some of the instructions the gimbal has. This is some of the things this is the thing it says on top of the cover. Create magnetic moments. And here's the gimbal. Let's assemble the gimbal. Take this out and the tripod. This is a tripod. Okay, now there's gonna be a tiny hole right here and there's gonna be a little screw here. Now keep on turning this until it gets tight. Okay, now that we've assembled the gimbal, now let's see what it has on it. The thing that the tripod can do is you can let this stand here so you don't have to hold the gimbal. As you can see right here, you can see that there's a nice grip here so it's easy to hold, and you can see you can see the company's name, Dji. Let's put this down and see what came with it. Okay, as you can see right here, this I think has the manual, and yeah, look right here. It's telling you how to put this on. These are the instructions if you want to permanently put this on your phone if you use the gimbal a lot. Okay, it also comes with a tiny bag right here. And let's see if there's anything inside it. No, there isn't. Okay. This is what comes with it. A nice bag that you can put stuff in. If you don't want to permanently put like a magnet on your phone, you can use this. What you need to do is put one side right here, and then you can stretch this like that, and then like this, you can kind of change where you want it to be like that, and you can put it in the middle. There's a magnet over here. So now that you put this on, put this right here. There you go. You can do that. Then hold down the M button, and then it'll move by itself and align itself. Okay, click M 2 times to change between portrait and landscape. This is landscape and this is portrait. You just need to click M 2 times. Knob you can use to go up and down, left and right. If you want all the features, you need to download the app Dji Memo. Okay, there's gonna be a button with a red dot. Press that and then I'll start recording for you. As you can see, it's recording right now. Okay, there's another thing you can do. There's gonna be this on the back. Press it 3 times and it'll switch to front mode. So over here. And also you can do this. Okay, now it's gonna detect my face and it'll follow it. It goes up and down. It will follow your face until it can't see it. See, now it won't follow me because you couldn't see it. Okay, there's a feature on the side. There's gonna be a scroll bar. Then you can kind of zoom in and zoom out. This will only work on the back camera. It won't work on the front. We got this from my mom. She has a channel called Yummy Kitchen with Ayaan. Please subscribe to that channel and like this video. Goodbye.